Hello, beautiful people. Today, we're diving into a serene morning hair care routine, specially crafted for Indian women with long, curly hair. Your beautiful curls deserve the best start to the day. This routine is all about nourishment, gentle care, and bringing out that natural shine. Let's begin our day with a ritual of nourishment that will leave your hair feeling soft, strong, and radiant. We'll cover oil application, gentle detangling, a refreshing herbal wash, and deep conditioning to lock in moisture. Our first step is the magical oil application. This ancient Indian tradition is a cornerstone of healthy hair. Gently massage coconut oil into your scalp, working it down to the ends of your strands. Feel the calm as you nourish each curl. Coconut oil deeply penetrates the hair shaft, reducing protein loss and providing essential moisture, leaving your Indian hair strong and lustrous. Next, we move to gentle detangling, a crucial step to prevent breakage and maintain the integrity of your curls. Always use your fingers or a wide-toothed comb, starting from the ends and slowly working your way up. Be patient and gentle. For curly hair, never detangle when dry. A little oil or conditioner helps the comb glide smoothly, preventing unnecessary pulling and breakage. Now for the refreshing cleanse. Let's wash away the day with the goodness of herbal shampoo. Lather a small amount of herbal shampoo onto your scalp and gently work it through your hair. Focus on the scalp to remove impurities. Rinse your hair thoroughly with lukewarm water until all traces of shampoo are gone. A good rinse is key to achieving that natural, healthy shine. Our final step is to lock in all that goodness with a nourishing conditioner or hair mask. Apply a generous amount of your favorite conditioner or a deep conditioning mask, focusing on the mid-lengths to the ends of your hair. Let it sit for a few minutes. Rinse with cool water to seal the cuticles and enhance shine. For curly hair, regular deep conditioning is vital to maintain moisture and prevent frizz. And there you have it, a complete morning hair care routine designed to bring out the best in your long, curly Indian hair. Look at those beautiful, nourished, and shiny curls. This routine not only cares for your hair, but also provides a moment of self-care and tranquility. Embrace your natural beauty and enjoy your healthy hair journey. Remember, consistency is key to radiant, gorgeous curls.